Alright guys, if you're on the train like this, look at this. That's the Seneca levels right here. It's a Hyundai. The leafy ones. See? It's what's that here? Yeah, it's a game like this because there's a kids on the train like this. But I'm gonna go at the train with guys. I can show you guys my friends on the train like this. Let's check out this train. See? Now wait. It's the ad right there. So this is the station right here, and the second to the train is right here. And just the inside to get the chairs behind this right here. This is the inside. And there's the doors. There's a chair to get the what's the noise to get the chairs. And there it is. And there's the what's that? I think there's a train right there. Get careful a bit before the train is moving. It's a very nice train. There's a speaker right there. So all the colors. This is a very nice train. This is the outside. And there's a driver. I love this train ride. It's very, very nice. See guys. I think the stores got how to open the others. See? Alright, it's close there guys. Let's check out this train right there, so they have one right there. Just open the doors. There we go. There it is. That's why the train is moving, it's not moving. There we go. And let's open the doors again on the outside. See, it's a very nice train. This train is not moving, so. Alright. So there's so much to move. So there we go. And let's to move on the trains. See, the train's departing right there. I'm gonna go at the train because it's only kids. See? That's the elevators right here. See? I love this train, it's very nice. Alright, that'll be it.